we turn our attention to the heart of China, where anticipation is reaching a fever pitch following today's breaking developments about the upcoming military parade. On September 3, 2025, Beijing will host its largest and most advanced military parade in a decade, transforming Tiananmen Square into a breathtaking stage for China's military might. Just today, officials confirmed that several never-before-seen weapons systems will be unveiled, including the much-rumored hypersonic drone and a new generation of stealth tanks. The city is preparing for a spectacle that will not only dazzle onlookers, but also send a clear message to the world about China's rapidly advancing capabilities. Officially, the event commemorates the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II, a moment of reflection and national pride. Yet, beneath the surface, it's also a bold statement of China's global ambitions and its determination to shape the future world order. Today's announcement that President Putin will attend as guest of honor has added a new layer of geopolitical significance. This parade is more than a celebration, it's a declaration. China is now positioning itself as a global military powerhouse, no longer content to be seen as just a regional force. The scale and sophistication of the display, especially with the newly revealed weaponry, are designed to impress both domestic audiences and international observers. The world will watch closely, analyzing every tank, jet, and marching soldier for clues about the shifting balance of power. Military analysts and foreign governments are already poring over today's leaked images and official teasers, searching for signs of new strategies and capabilities. Security in Beijing has reached unprecedented levels, with today's rehearsal drawing thousands of police and security personnel. Road closures and heightened surveillance underscore the event's national importance, as the city is transformed to ensure every detail is flawless. President Xi Jinping aims to send a flawless message of strength and unity to both allies and rivals. His presence at the parade, reviewing the troops and addressing the nation, is meant to inspire confidence at home and project authority abroad. Today's confirmation of his joint appearance with President Putin is being interpreted as a powerful signal of deepening ties between China and Russia. This year's parade is set against a backdrop of rising international tensions, from disputes in the South China Sea to growing competition with the West. The latest news of new weapons and high-profile guests makes the event's message even more significant as global eyes turn to Beijing. With world leaders in attendance, including today's newly announced guests from Central Asia and Africa, the guest list itself signals China's growing diplomatic influence. The presence of high-profile dignitaries from across the globe highlights the importance of this event on the world stage. As the spectacle unfolds, military experts everywhere will be watching for what it means for the future of global security. With today's revelations, the world is waiting to see not just the hardware, but the message behind the display. A message that could shape international relations for years to come. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. The September 3rd parade is designed to overwhelm, with 45,000 PLA troops marching in perfect formation. Soldiers from every branch, ground, navy, air, and rocket force will be on display, including a peacekeeper from South Sudan, highlighting China's expanding global reach. Hundreds of tanks and armored vehicles, all domestically produced, will roll through the streets, showcasing China's military self-sufficiency. The skies will roar with hundreds of advanced aircraft, from stealth fighters to carrier-based jets and early warning planes. This isn't just about hardware, it's about demonstrating a modern, integrated fighting force. Formations are arranged in operational modules showing how land, sea, air, and missile systems work together in real combat scenarios. The message, the PLA, is a cohesive, networked military ready for any conflict. This is more than ceremony. It's a demonstration of operational readiness. The most anticipated part of the parade is the unveiling of China's newest, never-before-seen weapons. These are not prototypes, they're operational systems, signaling a dramatic leap in China's military innovation. Hypersonic missiles, stealth drones, and advanced air defense systems will be on display, designed to counter Western strengths and give China a decisive edge. New transporter vehicles for intercontinental ballistic missiles and stealthy cruise missiles hint at China's expanding nuclear and precision strike capabilities. Each new system adds to China's strategic deterrent, sending a message of technological self-reliance. The parade is a curated catalog of China's defense achievements, meant to impress and warn the world. For other nations, this is a rare chance to assess China's true military modernization. The secrets revealed here will shape global defense strategies for years. September 3rd will be studied in war rooms and intelligence agencies worldwide. At the center of attention are China's new hypersonic missiles, revolutionary weapons that could change modern warfare. Capable of speeds over Mach 5 and highly maneuverable, these missiles are nearly impossible to intercept. Their public debut signals China's breakthrough in a technology few nations possess. Systems like the YJ-17 and YJ-19, now operational, threaten even the most advanced U.S. naval defenses. Hypersonic missiles could penetrate carrier groups, making intervention in the Western Pacific far riskier for the U.S. This edge is central to China's strategy to deter foreign intervention, especially over Taiwan. The message is clear: China can strike swiftly and decisively, fundamentally altering the military calculus in the region. American strategists must now rethink how to operate in a conflict with China. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Beyond hypersonics, the parade will showcase China's growing ability to control sea and air. New anti-ship missiles like the YJ-15 and YJ-20 are designed to keep enemy navies at bay, challenging U.S. dominance. Carrier-based fighters and early warning aircraft highlight China's push for a world-class navy and air force. Unmanned systems, stealth drones, and underwater vehicles signal China's embrace of the future of warfare. These autonomous platforms can gather intelligence, clear mines, and hunt submarines, all without risking human lives. Advanced air and missile defense systems, like the HQ-29, round out China's fortress strategy. The message: China is building both offensive swords and defensive shields for a new era of military power. One of the parade's most powerful images will be Russian President Vladimir Putin standing beside Xi Jinping. Their joint appearance is a clear signal. The China-Russia partnership is deepening, challenging the Western-led order. This alliance is built on shared opposition to U.S. influence and has grown to include joint military exercises and technology sharing. Putin's presence underscores the military dimension of their relationship and signals practical cooperation. Together, they can stretch U.S. resources by coordinating crises in Europe and Asia. For Xi, Putin's attendance lends legitimacy and reinforces the narrative of a multipolar world. For Putin, it's proof Russia is not isolated. Their united front is reshaping the global strategic map, with Beijing's parade as its most visible symbol. In Washington, the Beijing parade is seen as a direct challenge to U.S. military and technological superiority. American officials are acutely aware that every display of power is carefully choreographed to send a message, not just to the Chinese people, but to the world, and especially to the United States. The parade is more than a show of force. It's a signal that China is determined to close the gap and assert itself as a global military power. Every new weapon is scrutinized by the Pentagon, as China's rapid modernization closes the technology gap. U.S. analysts pore over footage, freeze-framing missile launches and vehicle movements, searching for clues about new capabilities. The speed at which China is developing advanced systems, drones, stealth aircraft, and cyber tools has caught the attention of American defense planners. The parade is a stark reminder: the Indo-Pacific balance of power is shifting. Once dominated by the U.S. and its allies, the region is now witnessing a surge in Chinese influence, both militarily and economically. This shift has profound implications for U.S. strategy and presence in Asia. Chinese anti-ship and hypersonic missiles threaten U.S. naval assets and could deny American access to the region. These weapons are specifically designed to counter U.S. strengths, making it riskier for American forces to operate near China's coastlines and contested waters. The China-Russia alliance adds complexity, raising the specter of a two-front challenge for the U.S. joint exercises, and coordinated strategies between these two powers force American planners to consider scenarios that were once unthinkable. Joint development and intelligence sharing could accelerate the erosion of U.S. dominance. By pooling resources and expertise, China and Russia can innovate faster, making it harder for the U.S. to maintain its technological edge. American strategists must now plan for simultaneous threats from two nuclear-armed rivals. This new reality demands more complex war games, deeper intelligence gathering, and a rethinking of traditional military doctrines. The parade is Beijing's message of strength and resolve. It's a demonstration meant to inspire national pride at home and project confidence abroad, signaling that China is ready to defend its interests. For the U.S., it's a wake-up call to invest in new technologies and strengthen alliances. American leaders are now pushing for greater innovation, more robust partnerships, and a renewed focus on deterrence to maintain stability in the region. The spectacle is not just a parade. It's a declaration of China's challenge to America's place in the world. As the world watches, the US must decide how to respond to this new era of great power competition. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. The parade's most pointed message is aimed at Taiwan, just 100 miles off China's coast. The symbolism is unmistakable, a display of power meant to send a clear warning to the island and to the world. As the soldiers march in perfect unison, the world watches, aware that every step is choreographed not just for national pride, but for strategic signaling. Every weapon on display is a reminder of Beijing's threat to reunify the island by force if necessary. Tanks, missile launchers, and armored vehicles roll past, each one a symbol of the military might that China is willing to use. The message is clear. China is prepared to act if diplomatic efforts fail, and it wants the world to know it. Hypersonic and anti-ship missiles are designed to deter US intervention, giving China the ability to strike quickly and with precision. These advanced weapons can target ships and bases far from China's shores, making any foreign involvement in a Taiwan conflict a dangerous gamble. Meanwhile, amphibious vehicles and drones would be key in an invasion, forming the backbone of any assault across the Taiwan Strait. Drones provide real-time intelligence and can disrupt enemy defenses, while amphibious craft are essential for landing troops on Taiwan's beaches in the event of war. This show of force is psychological warfare, intimidating Taiwan and warning the US of the high costs of defense. The spectacle is as much about shaping perceptions as it is about military readiness, aiming to sow doubt and fear among adversaries and reassure the Chinese public of their nation's strength. US allies like Japan and the Philippines, hosting key bases, are also in the crosshairs. Their proximity to Taiwan and their strategic locations make them potential targets in any conflict, raising the stakes for the entire region and drawing in more nations to the crisis. China's long-range missiles and advanced aircraft could neutralize these bases in the opening hours of a conflict. The speed and reach of these weapons mean that the first moments of any war could be decisive, with devastating consequences for US and allied forces stationed nearby. For Taiwan, the parade is a sobering reminder of the existential threat they face. Civilians watch the news with growing anxiety, while the island's military drills for scenarios that once seemed unthinkable. The sense of vulnerability is palpable, as the balance of power shifts ever closer to China's favor. For the US and its allies, it's a call to develop credible strategies to deter Chinese aggression. Military leaders meet to coordinate responses, conduct joint exercises, and strengthen alliances, knowing that unity and preparation are their best hope for maintaining peace and stability in the region. The parade's shadow looms largest over the Taiwan Strait, where these ambitions could one day become reality. The world holds its breath, watching the waters between China and Taiwan, knowing that the decisions made here could shape the future of the entire Pacific. As the last tank passes, the true impact of Beijing's parade is just beginning. This is more than a spectacle. It's China's announcement that it's ready to challenge the global order. The images of advanced weapons and the China-Russia alliance will echo in capitals worldwide. For the US, it's a call to re-examine military readiness and alliances. The parade makes great power competition tangible and urgent. Will it deter conflict or spark a new arms race? The answers remain uncertain. One thing is clear: the balance of power is shifting before our eyes. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.